Wait here at Diesel Freak. Got a little unit on top there. Roof mount air conditioning. One that sit out here in the sun. It's just idling. The roof mount AC unit itself weighs about 60-65 pounds. I put it on the hard cabs that we had here. The roof's good and solid. I don't see that being any issue of too heavy. What I like about the roof mount unit myself is no compressor down low in the engine bay. Things for the mud, sand, water to get into and hurt. This unit has its own harness, 2 wires, power and ground, and a key power. And then there is an alternator kit that comes with it. We got the bracketry and the alternator that are only being sold right now with the AC unit because limited supply. Pretty simple install. Like I say, we got our hard cabs sitting here. I don't know if it'll work on a rally top. They're fiberglass. They don't sit on the roll cage. I don't know how much weight they'll take, if they'll crack and break, because you do have to cut a hole. I can get up there in a minute. I want to keep the temperature. What we had to do is, this was obviously a flat roof. We took and set the unit, marked out the corners, and then took a knife and cut this foam, the insulation, cut it all the way around, and then took the saw and cut the metal, and then dropped the unit in and got it mounted. The harness runs over here out the side down to the dash and in underneath. There's a couple of evaporator lines, one on each side for your water, your moisture, your drip line. It gets zip tied down the roll cage and exits down the bottom, drip the water out there. I've been letting this sit and run. I got a thermometer in here. I wanted to put it towards the middle of the vehicle or to the back. Right now we're shut. Oh, it shut off on me. Well, there we go. 73 degrees almost in the back. It's 80 degrees outside right now. Bring it up here. And it's on, the fan is on high. While this drops down, we'll see what it gets down to. That picture I posted earlier was in the shop. It was 70 degrees inside. The fan was on low. We have seen how cold it would get, and I see some of the comments of that picture I posted was, oh Lord, it's too cold, it's gonna freeze, it's not gonna work. Well, there's a couple options. You can shut it off if it's too cold, or we sell heater kits if you need some hot air. But sitting out here on high, looks like we're gonna have about 44 degrees. Might drop down, maybe we'll get down into 43. That rope there, yep. So I think that'll be plenty. If I bring it down here to about where I'm sitting, I'll just set it here on my center console. It's climbing pretty fast, but like I say, we got limited supply of these available. It's going to be basically a universal roof mount. You got to cut your own hole. I know it'll work on the hard cabs. That's the cabs we sell. I don't know if it'll work on others. I'm sure it will. I just can't say that the roof is going to support it and how easy the install might be. So for the finish out the summer and to have all the AC everybody's begging for, you can get one of these. And like I say, it comes with the alternator kit. They're only going to be sold right now with the AC unit. We have enough add and alternator jobs to go with each AC unit. Might be something that we do here in the near future. If you have, of course, if you have an all-weather unit, that's where the AC compressor is. That's where your that an alternator is going to go, which they don't need it because the all-weather comes with heat and air. The compressor being down low down there, I've had a few guys that I think they're getting some sand and water in them, and they've had some issues, so we kind of turned and looked at the roof mount and thought maybe that's the way to go. And right now I'm kind of thinking it is. Sitting here, the air is blowing down on me. It feels great. And it looks like we're holding about 68, 70 degrees just sitting here with the probe. I don't know, a few inches above the center console. So down in my leg lap area, it's under 70. Remember, it's not a Denali. I think that'd be pretty nice for cruising. That's going to put us up into a nice SLT package anyway, huh? So let me know. They'll be on the website. I'll probably put them on the website and then post this video